15 interesting facts about life. We're going to share with you 15 fascinating and mind-blowing facts about life that you probably didn't know. From the mysteries of the universe to the amazing capabilities of the human body, these facts are sure to amaze you. Did you know that the blue whale is the largest animal on the planet? It can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh over 200 tons, which is equivalent to the weight of 33 elephants. The human brain contains around 100 billion neurons, each of which can connect to up to 10,000 other neurons. That means the total number of possible connections in the human brain is around 1,000 trillion. That's more than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The world's tallest mountain, Mount Everest, is actually still growing. It grows by about 0.2 inches every year due to the movement of tectonic plate. One of the most fascinating things about the human body is that it is made up of atoms that were once inside stars. When a star explodes, it creates new elements, which are then scattered throughout the universe. Over billions of years, these elements come together to form new stars, planets, and even living beings like us. The longest living animal on Earth is the ocean quahog clam, which can live up to 500 years. That means some of these clams could have been around during the time of the Roman Empire. The speed of light is incredibly fast, around 299,792,458 meters per second. To put that into perspective, if you could travel at the speed of light, you could go around the entire Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. Did you know that all the gold on Earth came from meteorites that crashed into the planet billions of years ago? That's right, every bit of gold we have ever mined or used in jewelry was once flying through space. The human body produces enough heat in just half an hour to boil a half gallon of water. This heat comes from the body's natural processes, such as digestion and metabolism. The world's largest desert isn't actually the Sahara, it's actually Antarctica. The continent is considered a desert because it receives very little precipitation, and it is also the coldest place on Earth. The longest ever recorded flight of a chicken is 13 seconds. Yes, you read that right. Chickens can actually fly. Our fingerprints are unique to us. No two people have the same fingerprints, even identical twins. This is what makes fingerprints such an important tool for identification. The Earth's magnetic field is what protects us from the sun's harmful radiation. If it weren't for this magnetic field, the sun's radiation would strip away our atmosphere and make life on Earth impossible. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the known universe. That's because there are so many possible moves and combinations of moves that can be made during a game of chess. Every year, about 50,000 earthquakes occur on Earth, but most of them are too small to be felt. However, some earthquakes can cause devastating damage, like the 2011 earthquake in Japan that caused a tsunami and killed over 15,000 people. Finally, did you know that our bodies are constantly shedding and regenerating cells, and that over the course of 7 years, every cell in our body would have been replaced by a new one? This fact underscores the incredible potential for growth and change that exists within us, and serves as a reminder that we are capable of transformation and renewal at every stage of our lives.